Alright, this is a cabin tour of E125, which is the Empress Deck. Alright, this is a cabin tour of E125, which is the Empress Deck. Alright. Alright, first place, the door. Alright. We are pretty much midship, as you can see. We're pretty much right by the elevators, but we don't really hear that much noise right here by the elevators. We have some shelves, your safe, some drawers at the bottom, pretty nice deep drawers. You have just a regular switch for your bathroom, standard bathroom. You got your shower gel and your shampoo. No foot pegs in here. Your regular sink. That's me. Your towel rack, toilet, and your towels. You have cabinet number 1 with your life jackets, extra blankets. Cabinet number 2, got a shelf on top, a lot of hangers in this one, and another cabinet. Now, no extra shelves in there, so everything you're putting in there is hanging. You have a couple of shelves, your phone, you have a 220 outlet, 2 120 outlets, and your USB ports. We already have our fan. You have your stool. Under here you have your refrigerator. It's a very small one. Another drawer with your hair dryer, your trash can, a little cabinet. This is just a little nightstand-like type cabinet. And then you have a lot of room. You got hooks up here, your big screen TV, which is a lot bigger than the Pride. You have your USB outlets over here. Your switch is right there to turn off all the main lights. And this is naturally an ocean view room. And that's pretty much it.